Alright, this is our little epilogue on that Yamaha. Anyway, it seems to be running really good now. We got LED headlights put in, all that good stuff. Engine pulls smooth and strong. It's burning the plugs nice and clean. Couldn't really ask for better. What else? Charging system's working really well. I'm getting about 14.4 volts at around 3,000 RPM, and it's keeping the battery at 13 volts. And when you shut the engine down, after you've been riding, put the meter across it, you get 13 volts. I imagine the battery voltage will drop after it sits, probably go down around 12.5 or so. But anyway, I'm really pleased with the way this came out. I hope Bobby enjoys it. He should be able to get, well, a couple of months more riding in on it before the snow flies, I hope. So anyway, thanks for watching.